I will talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Doordash app. So all you have to do is so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on Doordash Rewards Mastercard. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So just switch into open video here, then you click here on a play now. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video. So just switch into open video here, and here can you add your card information. When it's going to open video, it's going to show for your card and add your card information. So then it's going to add video on your Doordash app. So it's going to take a time. So just switch into open video here. So like you see now, it's show for us here, and here you can add your personal info here. So then it's going to add video. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking